Feast and Fire. Look at that. It's only 11 o'clock kaya konti pa lang ang tao. Pero in fairness, ang linis dito guys. Kaya punta na kayo dito. Yan oh. Ang ganda. Worth naman 600. Magkano ba? 600 something per person. Make sure maubos nyo lahat ng mailagay nyo sa ano kasi merong bayad ang matira. Alright. Meron silang karaage skewer and fried rice, the Java rice. Ooh, that looks good. Garlic rice, my favorite. Ayan o, wala pang kumukuha, baka ako pala. And regular white rice, steam rice. Sinigang na salmon sa miso, yan. Chili garlic pesto. Parang pansit siya. Japchae. And creamy macaroni. Selection. Californian kimbap. Beef bulgogi kimbap. My Filipino tokwa takoy. And of course, grilled hot dog. Here they have nacho chips, pink ang kulay, regular nachos with cheese. Oh, you can make your own taco. And they have the cheesy corn. Oh yeah. Kimchi pancake. Oy, kimchi pancake sauce. Okay, I'll get that later. Deep fried Dory. Oh, Finding Dory. That's why you cannot find Dory. It's right there. Tapos ito, creamy. Ano, what's this? Walang pangalan. Salt and pepper. Potato wedges. Ayan. Tapos, gravy. Meron silang gravy. Ayan. And then, they have egg drop soup. Ayan, egg drop soup, yes. With that. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Side, they have this. Nanoyeni, sauteed pork and veggies. Tapos niya, vegetable kare-kare. Yes, vegetable kare-kare with the bagoong right there. Tapos meron silang pork sisig. Pork sisig. Meron silang Asian barbecue. Yan. Tapos merong Cajun seafood stew. Ooh. Tapos, they have, fish fillet, sweet and sour. Okay. Tapos, they have this. Tteokbokki, spicy. Korean tteokbokki yan. Ito, steamed egg. Oh, Korean steamed egg. Okay. So, besides yung kanilang buffet, meron pa silang kasama sa buffet. Ito, nawala doon. May soup, samji, wing cuppers, and skewers. O, diba? Ayan, meron akong order na buffalo wings. Try natin. Let's try their buffalo wings. Made to order, fresh. But kasama siya sa buffet.
Good? Spicy? Oh, wow.
Sarap siya.
Umusok pa, oh.
Hindi nga lang siya spicy as I expected. Pero masarap. Fish and fire. So, try natin yung kanilang sushi and tokwa baboy. Siyempre, may wasabi na sauce. Bakit wala silang chopstick? Walang chopstick. Ito yung squid. Hindi akong chopstick. Wala pa yung chopstick kung nas. Try natin tong kanilang sushi.
Buat ang chopstick. Mag-order ka rin ng chopstick.
Hindi maanghang yung wasabi. Pero masarap. Natin tong kanilang tokwat baboy. So, maliit lang na serving, which is good.
Good.
Kasi,
Sarap.
teka lang. Nag-order din ako ng soup.
Nanghang, mami.
Mmm,
Maparas yung soup mo.
masarap. Tokwat baboy. Okay ka. So, nag-order din ako ng soup. Ramen. Spicy miso. Ayan. Uy, sarap siya. May dating. Kaya pala natagalan.
Naman na.
Sarap.
Yeah?
I love it. I like
I know.
it. Kaya lang wala yung chopstick. Sarap siya, guys. Mainit. Meron siyang pork. Chicken sushi. Try natin siya dyan. Sarap. Okay guys, meron silang nachos na tricolor. Meron silang green. May pico de gallo. Pink.
Ay, nga naman ba?
At yung regular.
Nag-order ka na?
Hindi ba?
Ako eh. Hindi dumaan eh. Ako eh, kanina hindi ko lang dumaan.
Okay lang. Masarap pa rin yung sa US. Silang Korean pancake. So, try natin yung Korean pancake nila.
Ah.
It's okay. Marami kang flour. Kasi yung Korean pancake talaga mas marami yung veggies. Ito maraming flour. Ito lang. Sizzling beef bulgogi. Try it. Bulgogi. Still sizzling. Sizzles. Ay, mainit. 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 Sarap. Sarap.
Very good siya.
So I will try the sizzling, ano to? Beef bulgogi with garlic rice. Parang kasi masarap siya with garlic rice eh. Sarap. Init. Kimchi.
Good.
Perfect. They have different types of drinks. They have Pepsi products and some juices. This is cucumber
Lemonade.
lemonade. They also have pink lemonade and iced tea and regular water. Cheers. Meron din silang corn soup, ay hindi kita. Corn soup.
Egg
Ayan.
drop.
Egg drop soup actually. Uy, kalasa ng luto ko. Masarap. Sarap siya.
Sarap, di ba? Wala
Sarap.
sinabi nung sa regular Ken Kertam.
Oo, sarap siya. Good.
Very
Mga lords, sobrang dami ng food. Hindi pa ako nangangalahati pero busog na. Ibig sabihin, babalik pa para matry yung lahat. Tapos ang daming dessert. Kuha tayong dessert. Din silang Korean bingsu, yung Korean halo-halo. So you make your own bingsu. I will make mine. Guys, here's the bingsu. Look at how pretty that is. Let's try it. So Korean halo-halo. Mostly ang halo nila is jelly. Sarap. Refreshing. Ang pula ng pakwan nila, oh.
Ang pula-pula.
Tamis.
Kumukha akong matamis talaga.
Kidding aside. Tapos, honeydew to, kantalo. Filipino honeydew. So, I got 3 types of turon. Chocolate turon, turon with ube, and turon with pandan. Pandan turon.
Oh, that's all to one, mama.
And this one is ube turon. Nutella turon.
Well, about kamote turon natin.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to, but hindi siya jello kasi nagmo-move eh.
Oo nga, no.
Or maybe just the top part is moving. So ito sigurado matamis. Yung jello lang ang gusto ko. Sabi ko na eh. Gatas yun sa taas. What do you think about this place?
It's good. It's a really nice and clean restaurant, and
The ambience is good, huh?
the food is really good, and it's not that expensive. It's just
regular.
Yeah,
Are we gonna come back here?
we come back there.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, maybe
For Father's Day, you wanna come back here?
no, I want different restaurant.
Different one. Okay. So there you got it. We will come back here, but not on the Father's Day. Different time, but we will come back because we didn't try the other dishes that they had. I didn't try. I don't know if you tried all of it because there's too much. So if you want to come here, you gotta make sure you're hungry. Okay, enjoy. Ice cream time. Ayan. Strawberry and vanilla. Strawberry talaga siya. Vanilla siya. Sarap. Alright guys. Full. Good food. Good. There you go. You got 2 thumbs up.